Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now here I have just shown the longer version of this video. You can see the shorts video which I've posted already. Now this is very simple. Anybody could do that. Even kids can make these paper flowers. Now this is very easy. You could use it to decorate anything. It could be a book, it could be a notebook cover, a diary cover. It could be to even decorate the border of the laptop, or it could be a wooden piece, a photo frame, anything. I mean, whatever comes to your mind, you can use these paper flowers and color it with whatever sketch, gel pen, paint that you have. Go ahead and do it, guys. I'm sure you're going to like it. And thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and supporting my channel. I'm looking forward for more and more people to love, support, share, and also comment. And guys, I would want you to tell me what are the other kind of drawings, paintings, art activities, or art therapy activities that you would want to see in the upcoming videos. I'm expecting for your comments and also your feedback. Definitely there's always a scope of improvement, so you could go ahead and do that. And watch this video until the end, and don't miss anything. All right, thank you so much. And all those people who are watching this video for the first time or have even gone into my channel, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.